So good morning children. We are learning about to find the HCF and LCM by prime factorizations and divisions method. Today we are going to learn to find the HCF greatest number or smallest number in the word problems. Okay. Coming to page number 33 in your textbook children. See, you have to copy question in your textbook only children. I will do the workout here. See, word problem. Word problems. Okay, you have to copy question from your textbook. Okay, I will do the working here. Okay, first question. First question, what is there? The HCF of two numbers is 144 and their LCM is 2880. If one of the number is 720, find the other number. How will you find? See, in page number 32 they given product of two given numbers is equal to the product of the HCF and LCM. So we have to do like that. See, I will do the working only children. Product of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers equal to HCF and LCF into LCM by the given number. Okay, given number. So see. What first question? The HCF of two numbers is 144 and the LCM is 2880. If one of the number is 720, find the other number. So we know that product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM by the given number. The given one number, no. We have to find what? Other number. So how will you find? Other number is equal to HCF is what? 144 into LCM is what? 2880 by one number given now, what that is? 720. Okay children, you have to find the other number. So what you simplify this one? See, 0 0 is cancelled here. So you know the divisibility test. Here 4 is there, here 2 is there. So it is divisible by 2. Okay. See, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. So 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So you know that 72 and 36 there, it is divisible by 9 table. So 9 4s are 36, 9 8s are 72. Again 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Remaining what children? Remaining is 288 into 2. So how much? 288 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1 is 5. So what that is? Other number. Find the other number now they given. So other number is 576. Okay children. See children, second sum in your textbook, that is find the greatest number which divides 146 and 108 leaving a remainder 6. So find the greatest number means we have to find the HCF. Okay, find the greatest number which divides this 146 and 108 leaving a remainder 6. Okay, you have to copy. Second one I will do here children. See, how will you do? They are asking find the greatest number which divides 146. So 146 minus 6. Okay, because they are telling now remainder is 6. So while dividing you will get the remainder 6. So 146 minus 6 is how much children? 6 minus 6 is 0 in tens place 4 1 140. Then another one is what? 108 minus 6 is what children? 8 minus 6 is 2. 0 in tens place 1 in the 102. So you have to find the greatest number for this 140 and 102. So you know that to find the HCF from small number you divide the largest number, that is 140. Okay children. So you are right here 102 ones are 102, 102s are 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are. But we want 140, but here 2s are 204. I will go for the back table, that is 102 ones are 102. Now minus here. So from 0 we can't take 2, so I will borrow from 4, it will become 3, this will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, 3 minus 0 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0 children. Again we got the 38 as a remainder. From 38 remainder we have to divide the first divisor, that is 102. So now you have to go for 38 table. 38 ones are 38, 38 twos are 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 1 76, 38 3s are 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So we want how much children? 102, but we get 114. So I will go for the back table, that is 38 2s are 76. So minus from 102, 2 we can't take, so I will borrow from next place. So there is 0, so I will go for 1, this will become 0, this will become 10, then 9, this is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2. Again from 26 we must divide the second divisor, that is 38. So you know that 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are 52 it will come. So I will go for the 26 ones are 26. So from minus 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now from this 12 I will give the third divisor, that is 26. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Okay. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So again remainder 2 I will divide the fourth divisor. See, first, second, third, fourth divisor is 12. So you know that 2 6 are 12. So what they are, find the greatest number which divides 146 and 108, leaving a remainder is 6. So HCF is what children? That is greatest number is what? Is 2. Okay children. See children, third sum, 3 pieces of timber 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter long had to be divided into planks of the same length. Okay. What is the greatest possible length of each plank? So what they are asking to find the greatest possible length. So what we have to do? We have to find the HCF. So see children, third questions you have to copy in your textbook. So what is there? 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter. So what you have to find for this? You have to find the HCF. Okay, highest common factor. See, 42, 49 and 63. You know the table children? You know the table. HCF means highest common factor you have to take. So here 2, 9, 3 is there. We can't divide from 2 also. 3 means it is not possible. So I will take the, you know the tables of 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 7 are 49. 7 9 are 63. So what they are asking, what is the greatest possible length of each plank means 7. Okay. Okay, what is the greatest? So greatest is 7. 7 is the length of each plank. 7 is the length of each plank. Okay. Okay children. Next I will take next sum. Fourth sum children. The product of two numbers is 120. If the HCF is 6, what is their LCM? So they given the product of two numbers and their HCF. We have to find the LCM is how much. So use the formula, that is LCM. We have to find the LCM now. LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers by HCF. Okay children. See, LCM is equal to product of two numbers is what children? 120. So write 120 by HCF is how much they given children? 6. So you have to simplify now. So you know that 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 zeros are 0. So LCM, therefore LCM is equal to 20. So, fifth question, children, in your textbook, find the smallest number which on being added 23 to it is exactly divisible by 32, 36, 48 and 96. So they are asking find the smallest number. It divisible by 32, 36, 48 means we have to find the LCM. Okay, we have to find the LCM. See, find the smallest number which on being added, already it is added to 32, the 23. So we have to find the smallest number which is divisible by 32, 36, 48 like that. So what are the numbers is there? 32, 36, 48 and 96. So for this you have to find the LCM. So write children 32, 36, 48, 96. So now see here 2, 6, 8. So you know the division. 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are, 2 12s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Okay children. Again 2 4s are 8. 9 will not go from 2. I will carry on that 9. Again 2 6s are 12. 2 12s are 24. Again see 2 2s are 4. 9 will not go. I will carry. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 9 will not go. I will carry. 3 also not divisible. I will carry down. 2 3s are 6. So now see 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are see. Okay. Now you multiply all these numbers. See 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See 1 2 3 4 5. 3 into 3. Any number multiplied by 1 is that is same number itself children. So we can do that one. I will write here. That is 1 2 3 2 into 3 into 3. So you take children 2 2s how much children? 4. Again 2 multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. Again this 2. 8 2s are 16. Again this 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 are 2 is 3. See 1 2 3 4 you are multiplied now here 4 5. Okay 1 2 3 4 5. How many 2s is there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Again this is what? 3 3s are 3. From 3 multiply. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again another 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27, 1 288. See 1 2 3 4 5. 2 3s. See 1 3 2 3. Again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay children. So how much you got it? 288. That is find the smallest number which on been added to 23 to it exactly divisible by 32, 36, 48 and 96 is LCM is smallest number, that is okay. Smallest number is 288. Okay. Smallest number is 288 children. Okay. See children, ninth question. Okay, in your textbook, ninth one. The length, breadth, height of a room is 6 meter, 80 centimeter, then 5 meter, 10 centimeter and 3 meter, 40 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the dimensions of the room exactly. Okay children, so find the longest tape. So what you have to find the HCF for that. See, length, breadth and height. Okay, length is equal to 6 meter, 80 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 5 meter, 10 centimeter and height is equal to 3 meter, 40 centimeter. Okay children, so you know that the formula, that is length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. So length, you know that I'll convert this meter and centimeter is there. 6 meter 80 centimeter, I'll convert into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter is equal to how much children? 600 centimeter. So 600 centimeter plus 80 meter is how much children? 680 centimeter. So like that 5 meter 10 centimeter is equal to 510 centimeter. We know that 5 meter is equal to 500 plus 10 centimeter means 510 centimeter. Like that 3 meter 40 centimeter is equal to 3 meter means 300. Okay, see 3 meter means 300 plus 40 is equal to 340 centimeter. Here also 500 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is equal to 510 centimeter. So length into breadth into height. Okay, length is how much? 680 centimeter into 510. Sorry, we have to find the longest tape length. So what we have to do? We have to find the, what you have to find? HCF for this. So we have to find the HCF for this. So what we got? 680 centimeter, 510 centimeter and 340 centimeter we have to find. That is length, breadth. So from smaller number we have to divide the bigger number. So 340 is the smaller number. I will divide 510. So 341 is 304. Why means if you take, it will come to 2. I will take, it comes 680. So I will take 341 is 340. See, go for the table also, no problem. If I go for 2, see children, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4 600. So I want 510. But yes, so I will go for the back table 340. 0 minus 0. From 1 we can't take 4. So I will borrow 1 here. It will come 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 from 170, I will divide 340. So I will go for 170 table. 171 is 170. 172 is, see 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 ones are 2, 1, 3. 340. How much we want? 300. So 172 is 172 is 340. 0 minus 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 0. Okay. Now from 170, I will divide 680 children. Okay. Next number. So I will continue this table. 173 is 3 zeros are 0, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 3 ones are 3 4, 510. So 174 is 4 zeros are 0, 4 sevens are 28, 2 carry, 4 ones are 4, 5 6, 680. How many times? 4 times. 174 is 680. Now minus 0, 0, 0. So what they ask? Find the longest step which can measure the dimension of the room exactly. So that is 170. So the longest step, therefore, the longest step can be measure the dimension of the room. Dimensions of the room is 170 centimeter. Okay children, remaining sums you can try that. See, find the fifth sum is what I have already done. Sixth, find the least length of a rope which can be cut into whole number of pieces of length 45, 75 and 81. You have to least they are asking, so you have to find the LCM for this. That will get the length of a rope for you. Okay. Next, so find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 40, 48 and 60 means you have to first find the LCM for 40, 48 and 60. Okay children. Then you will get the LCM. Now in that LCM you have to divide the longest, greatest means greatest 4-digit number, you know that 999, like that, 9999. You been divide that from here, that LCM you got, no, then you'll get the remainder. You minus that remainder, then you'll get the greatest number of 4-digit. Okay children, 5-digit also is like that. I will do and send in the class for children. Okay, thank you.